Hi everyone and welcome to Chapter 9. This time we're going to follow on with our discussion of biological sex and gender identity by looking at sexual orientation. Now, if you remember, I talked about last time how we feel about ourselves as boys or girls may not be as simple as that. We may feel more boyish or more girlish or not really either. So I suggest that we not think of these things as boxes, but rather as continuums. Well, I'm going to challenge some assumptions again with this chapter. Don't think of our sexual orientation as a box that you might tick, but rather as a continuum of ways of thinking about who you're attracted to. So it is the case that people aren't necessarily just heterosexual, very attracted to people of the opposite sex, or just homosexual, just gay, or just lesbian, or just bisexual, where they're attracted to either sex. There are people who make changes throughout their lives about who they're attracted to. And there are some people who don't feel much attraction whatsoever. These people have an asexual sexual orientation. And then we have people who consider themselves to be pansexual. They're sexually attracted to all different types of people, including people who may identify as queer. That is, they don't necessarily have a strong gender identity. How do we talk about people who are sexually attracted to people regardless of those other people's gender identity? It becomes a very confusing discussion. So, once again, throw away your tick boxes and let's start thinking about sexual orientation as something broader, maybe more flexible, something more situationally specific than we previously thought of. And we'll have a very interesting time talking about it. So I look forward to having that discussion with you this week. Bye.